Hello, everybody. This is Ritu from Surat, a dance lover, dance mentor, choreographer, dance creator, performer, artist. Today I feel grateful, I feel excited, I feel elated, and of course nervous. So this moment takes me back to my earliest stage memory, a girl of 6, huge hall, orchestra program, packed audience. We take our seats. The singer sings. कोई यहाँ नच नचे, कोई वहाँ नच नचे, आवा आवा. The disco generation. I was 6. I jumped from my seat, ran through the aisle, climbed the huge stage. I danced extempore. People cheer. My dad was thrilled. I felt I've done something wonderful. Okay. Next day, we receive a big picture of mine dancing on the stage with the band, of course. And I lock it as a dear memory which reinstates my early love for dance on stage. So I've been on the stage as a 5-year-old, as a 25, 35, 45-year-old. And today I stand here, 50-year-old, on the stage, once again. But trust me, being here as a speaker is like a fish has been asked to climb the tree. So I thought if it is a question answer pattern, I'm a motor mouth. I can go on and on. I can reply to all what you ask. But if it is like, or like last did in class 12, yaad karo and bolo, help. So my heart is in my mouth. But let me quickly take you through my story, my friends. As I said, I'm 50, half a century done. So, I was a child, dancing child in the family. Today's times, when you don't have a child dancing in the family, oh, your child isn't dancing. And at my times, it was, you have a dancer in the family, okay. So I would dance at every occasion. I was supposed to, expected to, I never let them down. And, they would always say, कि तू dance करते हुए अच्छी लगती है. So, that was something, these phrases stuck somewhere in my mind. Like we are 3 sisters and we go out for outfits. छोटे थे जब हम, so we would try and buy. So सब कुछ उनको अच्छा लगता था, मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. So my mom would not buy me all the dresses because it generally didn't suit me. But when it came to dance, somehow I would gather the attention. So in my mind, I was like, okay, dance to mere saath hai. Dance has been my savior. So cut to, let me take you quickly through I was in college, first year in college. Just a dance lover, trying to choose a safe profession, safe career. So I went into interior design, IIT Vidyanagar, but I was a very brilliant student. I mean, I topped my studios, but yet dance was always in the back seat, and I would dance at every occasion in the college fest. I found my partner via dance. So that's another story. And so always dancing. At 22, I get married to my 7-year boyfriend, now husband. At 22, I get married, clueless of life's real questions, clueless of my career. At 23 and 25, I'm a mother of 2, struggling and surviving each day. Husband's work is in a turmoil. We are the same age, no work, business, try kar rahe hain, nahi ho raha hai. Okay. We moved from Delhi, Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Surat, trying to settle in life. 2 boys. So many home duties. I was a mother of 2. I was looking after the extended family. I was cooking, cleaning my children, no nanny, of course. I was trying to be the mother, the wife, the homemaker. But me being me, I had to do something for myself. In the very little time that I had, I used to find between the children. I used to do vacation classes for my apartment kids, dance and drawing. I tried my hand at paintings, I tried my hand at designing saris, exhibitions. I tried working with an architect again to reclaim my interior design thing. I couldn't do that. I had to discontinue. My children 3 and 5 were home alone. So in the middle of all this buzz, there came this opportunity which now seems God sent. One of my friends was putting her girl, to a dance class. So I intervened and I offered I could tutor her better. So I had no professional training in dance. I had no professional experience. But yet I don't know how the courage came in. Today I see it as divine, as Hari Kripa, as God's wish. So I showed the courage and I did all possible for those 2 students that I had. I used to dress them up, dance, sikha diya. We go to the competition, they win the competition, they win school competition, word of mouth, small city, Surat, to become 20. I do all these classes and I do it with so much excitement. I used to cook for all the children. And dance bhi seekhna hai, unke liye khana bhi banana hai, okay, theek hai. And in the midst of all this, my 2 kids, my sons, would be ignored. So I had this classroom at home, weekend dances. In the midst of this, my children were ignored. My husband would once, I remember this conversation so vivid. He asked me, so how much money do you make? I said, 5,000. He says, I will give you 5,000 every month. You stay at home. मैंने बोला okay, me. I said, no, I don't want the 5,000. You give me 5 lakh every month. Wait for it. I will earn that when you give me every month and then I'll go sit. Okay, so these little conversations somewhere, because I've repeated it in my mind, repeated it in my words, I remember. And that is trying to shape my character, shaped my journey. So, as I was taking you there, my today's talk is about my journey, of course. So 2 became 20, 20 became 40. We had to move out to a rented space. I did not have the courage to open my studio, to invest, to go full time. I did part-time weekend classes. I rented a space in a school. जहाँ मुझे जाके every Saturday I used to clean, झाड़ू पोंछा. I used to do it. Yes, no mirrors, no AC, but I did the classes. I ran a show of almost 100 students. And I did this for 6 long years, every weekend. And in the middle of this, that was the time, from 2001, 2002 till 2007. No YouTube, no phone. Okay, we had no videos to record. It was all in my mind. Jo bhi mera dance hai, I just had the tape recorder, the song, and whatever comes to my mind is what I teach. So I used to have low phases, self-doubt, lack of creativity, lack of enthusiasm, and I would several times I would think, what am I doing the right thing? Can I still switch? Can I do something else? But dance is like my lover. It would never leave me. I don't know why. I don't know how it all emerged. But when I look back at my story, I always seek it. Love. Dance has never left my side. Whenever I give it a choice, in my initial stage after marriage, later stage, whenever I had thought of giving it another option, dance would come running to me, embrace me, and I'll be your safe side. Have your back. So I used to have these low phases, everything. And in the middle of this, again, there was this big opportunity. I auditioned for Boogie Woogie 2009 Mummy's Championship. Yes. And I went there all alone, nobody, because I fear, taking my people with me and unke samne mein haar jaungi, so I would not be able to. I go alone. I went alone, and this journey also has so many little tales about it. How I used to practice in my gymkhana hall. I used to ask for room for practice. मैं अकेले अपना कर रही हूँ, and then I would show it to my students and they would, मैम आपका selection कैसे होगा? अब तो short हो ना, मतलब ऐसा वैसा. Okay, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. And I defied the odds. I don't know what courage कैसे आता है. So I went to Boogie. I was selected. Cutting this long story short, I won Boogie Woogie. I was 2009 Mummy's Championship. And when I go there, I see 100 women. Some would say tall, good looking. And Kathak mein MA and Bharatanatyam mein MA and people from all walks of life. They've been into dance primarily. I just had 6 years of professional experience. वो भी dance मेरे style का मतलब जो मैं dance जिसे कहती हूँ. I'm not trained at any form of dance. So I was runners up on Boogie Woogie, and that was a turning point, guys. अभी तक जो भी मेरा, it sure gave me wings to fly. I dared to open my own studio space in 2009, and from 2009 till today to 2024, I'm heading a professional dance space in Surat. It's available for everybody. So alongside, I also forayed into YouTube and Instagram social media channels. I think with the time or earlier than many, I suppose. I don't know how मुझे दुनिया से बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाता है ये सारी चीजें. I'm not. And कितनी चीजें? Let me tell you क्या नहीं पता चलता है. So I would never understand accounts, banking, investment, bills. Even today, I don't know where's my money. सब बोलते हैं पैसा तो पता है. कहाँ है पैसा? Where is it? So I really don't have a clue कि वो आता तो है but जाता कहाँ? I don't know. So I never understood any of this, but somehow I figured out YouTubing. I figured out content creation, video making, editing, posting, timing, tutoring, teaching skills, creating tutorials, and spreading my good word through the world. So I figured out all of that, and to my credits today, it has been a relentless journey, guys. Last 10 साल social media पे, and today I have my channel as Ritu's Dance Studio on YouTube, boasts of 2.7 million followers on YouTube, and over 400,000, which is 4 lakhs on Instagram. And this is not pure boasting, let me say. I was thinking कि ये सब क्या अपनी बड़ाई करनी है हमें, but trust me, it takes every day of your time and walking towards that. Ask me, there are youth who ask me कि मैम ऐसे कैसे, how do you know what is the shortcut to this, or what is the path, how do we go there, कैसे होता है. So it is only and only because it's primarily taking up your mind space. That is the first thing I am probably interested in, and it is interested back in me. But there are other stories also. We see so many today social media content creators who go viral up right there in a moment, in a year's time. So each one's journey is his own. My journey is, I've always seen little steps, consistent. रोज मुझे उस तरफ जाना ही है, and it is sure going to take me ahead, take me towards my goal. So I'm speaking nothing that I had written. I am only speaking what I am speaking. So, I need a moment to see what I have. So dance, I would speak of my relationship with dance. जैसे मैंने कहा था कि dance has, it is like a person. It has embraced me. It has loved me, and it has held me high. It has helped me in my low phases and my high phases, kept me afloat, kept me happy, kept me driving and crazy. So I owe a lot to my dance, and in short, I can tell you guys that dance has been my savior. मेरे बहुत आम से डांस ने मुझे खास बना दिया. So I take this opportunity to thank my dance for this. How? Because if you guys have happened to see my videos, some of you may have. Can I know who has seen a video of mine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, the numbers are more than 10. Thank you so much, guys. So finding 10 in 50 is a good percentage. And again, I'd like to take a moment and see. Okay. So dance, has been my journey. Now about midlife. As you know, I am on this side of the 50 now. So, but dance has really helped me, I believe, delaying the symptoms of midlife that I suppose I read. I have not faced as much, but I read it, and I surely believe from my personal experience and from the women whom I'm seeing since a long dancing with me, they have been able to delay their midlife symptoms very much. Dance the many benefits of dance, and some are it you have a confident body. You feel confident about your body. You certainly feel energized, recharged. You feel happy. You make like-minded friends, and dance makes you feel younger, much younger. So when we dance to our latest number, which we feel like an 18-year-old. Actually speaking, so it's like you don't have to. You do not bother what the world wants to think about you. You are feeling 18. It's happening. It's happening to you. So that's what I've seen with dance. So, as I was also mentioning that we have, because of the social media, we have got into the online dance segment, and we have a online dance community. So many dance lovers who have connected me. They've watched my videos. They've connected with me, and together we are a growing dance community which has no geographical limits. I find my dance lovers wherever I go. I recently went to USA and I was myself surprised. I announced 7 workshops in 7 different cities, and I had so many women coming. So it was only thanks to Instagram that they knew me, and it is indeed a reward when you have people who appreciate you, rather they walk an extra mile and want to greet you, want to thank you for what you've done. I always tell them, what have I done? I was just sharing my dances. You don't know what you've done. You've given us that light. You've given us a source of inspiration. If you can do, we can, of course, we all can look that ways. So that is what from my journey, from whatever little I can put into words, I would only like to tell all the women out there, if I can do it, you all can do. My dance is very simple, guys, and yet it is touching hearts, touching lives. People are recreating, they're finding joy, and they're finding joy in dancing with us too. And it certainly is going to make a magic in your daily lives, in your bodies, in your confidence level. Because I see women who are taking care of their bodies physically. I mean, you go to the gym, you go for yoga, you go for running. So you are physically involved. But trust me, when music comes as plays a part, when it is a concoction, dance with music recharges and does wonders in ways that cannot be expressed. It's only something to be felt. So women in their 40s, 50s, 60s, if you haven't tried a hand at dancing, but you really believe you have a sleeping interest in dance, तो जरूर उसको awaken करिए, take charge of it, don't let your gift go waste. Please do try dancing, and dancing will actually help you. So guys, all I want to say is, I would also I seek some inspiration from popular Bollywood women, because I am more about Bollywood, right? So I look at Hema Malini, who just did a wonderful performance at 75. Rekha ji amazed all of us at 70. Vaijanti Mala shared a dance video of her at 90 plus. And Wahida Rahman shared a video of her at 80. Saroj Khan had been dancing through her 60s. So you may feel, oh, these are film stars, but not that they belong to some other planet. We all have our fair share under the sun. Okay? हम रेखा नहीं सही, रितु सही. Okay? So Ritu has a fair chance under the sun, guys. And my little message, humbling message to all the women and all the men would be, just keep yourself happy, because विपदाएं, मुश्किलें, devastations, calamities तो आती ही रहेंगी. Today I have not shared that part of my life, which is there. Okay, I have a sad story. But today it is all about triumphs. Okay, I want to only share what has brought joy in my life and what is keeping my life joyful. So guys, at every point there is a dance that can suit every age. My dance has, when you see me, when I see myself 20 years back, 10 years back, 5 years back, I was dancing different. Today I'm dancing different. So what I have noticed is, at every age, we will have a unique rhythm. We will have dance to suit our time and our style. So you are never outdated. We will never go out of style. Okay, so all I want to say is I'm not a speaker, I'm not a motivational coach, I'm only a dancer. So let's raise these both hands to the right, okay, to the right, and to the right, and do 2 knocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go pointing like Mithun. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, click, 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 click. Now you got dance. कोई यहाँ आहा नचे नचे, कोई वहाँ आहा नचे नचे, सारे हंसी आहा नचे नचे, सारे जवान आहा नचे नचे, आवा आवा, तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार, आवा आवा, मानो ना मेरे यार, आवा आवा, तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार. Thank you.